Now, I want to go over some of the burn updates for Terra Luna Classic in this video, talking about total burns, talking about how many Terra Luna Classic have been burned by the burn tax so far, which exchanges are jumping on board, and kind of the latest updates with Binance as well, knowing that that's got a lot of people discouraged, and that's why we're seeing the price of Terra Luna Classic down slightly today. Guys, there's always a silver lining. When the price is lower, we burn more coins as long as that volume remains steady. So we get a lot to cover statistic-wise about Terra Luna Classic in this video, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. And then if you want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin down in the description. Now, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So if you guys are an active trader, you can actually get a lot of rewards on the KuCoin platform just by trading. So let's start with the burns. We have burnt roughly a little over 5 billion Terra Luna Classic up until this point, with over 1.4 billion being burnt by the burn tax alone. Now, we are right above 300 million Terra Luna Classic being burned on a daily basis at this point, just by the burn tax. That doesn't include how much MEXC Global is burning, how much Lunatics token will be sending in with all of their burn transactions and so on. So the burn tax is actually doing work. Now, the good news is, if we fall down in price, this is what we need to pay attention to, because a lot of people think that the only way that we're ever going to be able to burn, and it will help. I can't disagree with that. But they think the only way we're ever going to be able to burn billions or tens of billions a day is if we get centralized exchanges on board. Now, I will agree all day that a lot of the Terra Luna Classic volume, the vast majority of the Terra Luna Classic volume is on exchange, off-chain volume, and that does lend to some lower numbers when it comes to burning. But we are already at a price point where we're able to pick up the amount of Terra Luna Classic that are being burned. If the price continues to come down, because those who were only here for global acceptance, or those that were only here to watch Binance initiate the 1.2% burn tax, if they continue to leave, and if the price continues to fall down, all of a sudden that 300 million turns to 600 million. 1.2 billion, 2.4, 5 billion Terra Luna Classic a day if that price continues to come down. So you have to know that we can offset the lower burns with that lower price by raising the burns at that point in the game. So we always do have that silver lining. If the price does come down, don't get discouraged if you guys are here for the long-term future and long-term success of Terra Luna Classic. Now, knowing that Binance is not yet on board, and if you want to watch the previous video that I made, you guys can go watch the previous video. It almost seems like they're not on board, but they're rooting against the burn tax. It almost seems like they are like slandering those that want to see the burn tax happen, and it's quite disgusting to see. So, guys, watch that other video if you haven't seen it. But I'm not going to go into too much detail on that right now. But let's talk about the ones that are supporting the Terra Luna Classic burn tax. Right now, MEXC Global has done another temporary period where they will be burning 1.2% of all of their transactions or all their spot trades on Terra Luna Classic. This is good, right? This is good that MEXC Global is doing this. It's not a ton that they are burning because they are not a very large exchange, and that's okay. They are signaling their support, and they are showing the Terra Luna Classic lunatics that they're here for us. And MEXC Global actually has another burn bonus or whatever you want to call it. If you sign up, I don't know which link you have to use. I don't have an affiliate link with them, but if you sign up during the promotional period, deposit $500, make a $2,000 trade, make $2,000 worth of trades, they're going to burn $20 worth of Terra Luna Classic. If for every 50 people that do that, they're adding a $1,000 bonus. So it's actually not a bad deal if they get some people to sign up and show them some support. So make sure to check it out if it is something you're interested in. But they've been supporting Terra Luna Classic from the beginning, and I would love to see that by some bigger exchanges as well. Guys, it doesn't have to be Binance. If KuCoin, imagine if KuCoin jumped on board. Binance would basically be, they'd be forced. KuCoin could force Binance's hand at that point if they wanted to implement the 1.2% burn tax and everybody supported KuCoin as opposed to supporting Binance. It would be a very interesting mix-up of events based on who is supporting the Terra Luna Classic lunatics at that point. But knowing this, guys, if you're looking at the current market cap, which is roughly around $1 to $1.3 billion, that's an outstanding market cap for everything that's happened in the face of the just global economy being destroyed right now, recession talk all over the globe, and everything that is hitting the crypto space. A $1.3 billion market cap is solid. And if we're simply looking at that, we can still 50x. We can still 50x our investment just to get back to the valuation we had a few months ago when Terra Luna Classic was used to peg UST to $1. Guys, if we bring utility back to the chain, even if we get stuck around 500 million to $1 billion Terra Luna Classic being burnt, even if we have to say, you know what, Binance, you didn't support us when the sky was falling, we're not supporting you when the sky is rising. No matter what comes, if we rebuild this blockchain and we stay together, we are looking at some phenomenal gains across the future. 50x increases on your money is amazing. Yes, the burn tax could absolutely raise that cap to 100, 500, 1000x increases if we're able to burn that supply down. But guys, what we've got going on right now, we have to remind ourselves that this is literally the beginning. We are sitting here cleaning up the foundation for the Terra Luna Classic blockchain to be built on. And if you ask me, we're doing an awesome job up until this point. Don't get discouraged. Don't get let down. And continue to focus on the positives if this is something you want to be a part of. So down in the comments below, I just want to know, is this something that you want to be a part of? Do you want to be a part of the Terra Luna Classic future? Let us know down there. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. KuCoin has Terra Luna Classic, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.